Welcome to my A Life of Stew channel. If you're new to this channel, then this is my second channel where I create content about anything that's going on in my life, including DIY, hobbies, gaming, and the occasional rant, of course. Basically anything that's not camper vanning, which happens on my other channel, Getaway Geese. This video is a short review and a giveaway of the Bluetti EB3A portable power station. Working with Bluetti, who are sponsoring this video, they have kindly agreed for a free giveaway as part of the AC70 review that I did on the Getaway Geese channel. That video is now available. If you get a chance, please take a look at that AC70 video with the link in the description as well as a card at the end of this video. So keep watching for the giveaway details on how you can win this fantastic portable power station. Also, it would be great right now if you could consider pressing that like and subscribe button on this channel to support me. It's free to do so and you will be personally helping me grow the channel. So go on, click it now if you would. Right, let's talk all things about the EB3A. First, it's a 600 watt AC pure sine wave inverter with a 1200 watt surge. So if you have devices that surge up and come down, then it might be suitable for those. It's got a 268 watt hour capacity with multiple ways to recharge it. But I would say the mains and the cigarette lighter being the popular ones, although be aware that the car charging cable is an optional extra. So from an output perspective, it has various ports. There's one USB-C, two USB-A's, a 12 volt 20 amp cigarette type outlet and two DC 5521 outlets, although I've never used those. It also has a wireless capability, so maybe for your smartwatch or for your iPhone. From an input perspective, you've got your standard mains charging, so for me the 220/240 volts with a 3-pin plug, but that also has a turbo option just like the AC70, so that will be able to get you to 80% of power in 40 minutes. That's really good. Obviously the total charge times they say is between 1.3 and 1.8 hours. If you buy the extra optional solar panels, then that's between about 1.5 and 2 hours depending on the solar capability. For in-car charging, if you buy that extra cable, then on 12 volt it's about 3.2 to 3.7 hours, and obviously it's faster if you've got 24 volts. I will put the weight and dimensions on the screen for you, and there's also some sample charge information there for you as well. It will support the Bluetti app, which I also demonstrated on the AC70 view, so go take a look at that if you want more information on that. So how will it practically be used? Well, I think simply anything that pulls constantly below 600 watts, so things like cameras, phones, maybe CCTV devices, other filming devices like drones, mics, but also maybe small hair appliances like tongs, etc. Anything like that will be great whether you're on a camping trip, caravanning, or in your camper van. So if you combine that with buying the car charger or solar panels, then it's a great little power unit. So how can you win this fantastic giveaway that Bluetti are providing? The rules and guidelines are as follows, so I'm going to read these, so apologies for that. Please note they're also listed in the description, so if you're unsure, just go to there as well. Here's how to enter anyway. First, leave a comment in this video starting with the phrase "I would like to win a Bluetti EB3A because," and then just tell me why you're doing it. It's not going to affect the entry. I'm just interested to see how people are using it. I will use that comment to pull out the winner, so make sure you use that phrase. That's it. There's no purchase necessary. Entry is completely free. There are some rules. This giveaway is open to the UK, including Northern Ireland residents aged 18 or over, and of course excludes my family members or anybody employed by Bluetti. The entry period started when this video was released, Sunday the 2nd of March 2025 at 5 o'clock, and ends at 5 o'clock UK time on the 23rd of March. That's one entry per person is allowed only. Duplicate entries will be disqualified. The winner will be selected randomly from all valid entries and announced in a video on this channel within 10 days of the completion of the ending of the competition on the 23rd of March. I will then reply to the winner's comment to inform them that they've won. They in turn will need to email me their address details. At the same time, I will ask them for a security verification by asking them to edit their original comment with a phrase that I will give to them. It's very important you watch for the announcement of the winner. as the winner must respond within 10 days of being informed. Failure to do so will nullify their entry and a redraw occur. I'm just keen to get the device out there. The winner will be announced in a short update video on both the Getaway Geese and the Life of Stu channel. So to confirm, the prize is one standard Bluetti EB3A portable power station. There's no optional extras. Delivery, as I said, can only be within the UK only, including Northern Ireland. By entering, you're agreeing to provide your name and address for prize delivery by Bluetti. Your personal data will only be used to administer this giveaway. This giveaway is not sponsored, endorsed or administered by YouTube, so YouTube are not responsible or liable for anything related to this contest. So good luck everybody.